Hi everyone. This is your lesson for the Outsiders, which focuses on chapters 1 through 3. And you'll need to watch the video, and anytime you see where it says response, you will complete that response based on what either this video indicates or from making your own inferences. Your ATL skill, which is your approaches to learning, a skill is something that you want to master that you can use in any assignment practically. And your skill for this unit will be make inferences and draw conclusions. So an inference is an educated guess. Drawing a conclusion means you're making a judgment or decision based on multiple inferences. The word draw in this context does not mean create art. So why is it important to make inferences and draw conclusions? And as I go through these 3 bullet points, I want you to highlight which of the following you think is the most important way that you might use this skill. First, to find ideas the author doesn't put in a text. Second, to understand a story or an article. Or third, to use facts and details to determine what the author is saying. So go ahead and stop the video and highlight which of these you think is the most important way you will use this skill. Now we're going to practice using our new skill, make inferences and draw conclusions. And you see there are 3 columns. The first column has passages. There are 3 different passages here. The second column says make an inference. And for each of these passages, there's a corresponding inference that we will make. And then after you've made these 3 inferences, then you will draw a conclusion about what type of conflict it is and support it with evidence. So let's get started on this. The snow was coming down so hard and fast it was difficult to see. So now I'm going to come over here and say I can infer that it might be, and it's not saying that there's a blizzard, but if it's coming down that hard, I think it might be a blizzard. The second passage says, the city crew was barely able to keep the sidewalks cleared. So now I can infer that the crews, and I'll say, can't keep up with the amount of snow, so people might not be able to use the sidewalks. It doesn't say that here, but if the sidewalks can't be cleared, it's going to be tricky for people to use them. That's an inference that I'm making. And this last sentence says, a school bus full of children had to pull over on the street. So I'm going to come over to my make an inference. I can infer that it's going to be difficult for the students to, okay, so if they had to pull over, it probably means the bus is not able to travel because of the snow. So I'm going to say, make it home safely. Now I'm looking at these 3 inferences, and I'll come over and make a conclusion based on that. I can conclude that the conflict is, and I'm going to come down here and decide if it's an internal or external. And I've decided that this is going to be an external. And it's going, because it's external, I need to pick one of these. And with the weather, that would be man versus nature. And now I need to back that up with some evidence from my inferences from the passages. So the way I came up with that, and I don't have to quote or restate every single item here, but I am going to mention the blizzard because that is a detail. And let's see, these 2 other ones are both about traveling. And so I can say is causing the city, because we know they're city workers, to have problems with, oops, let's spell that right, with traveling. Now I've drawn a conclusion based on 3 inferences. It's your turn to practice this. You have 3 passages from chapters 1 through 3. 1, 2, 3 passages. And from each of these passages, you're going to make an inference. After you've made these 3 inferences, you will draw a conclusion about what type of conflict it is and decide what is the evidence that gives that to you. So you're going to explain it. Remember, you start with this passage here, Derry's hard and firm and rarely grins at all, and then you put your response here. I can infer that Ponyboy thinks Derry is, and give an adjective. You don't want to just repeat hard and firm and rarely grins at all. What is he saying about him? What kind of person is Derry? And then that's something you have to infer, and then you do the same thing with this passage, and you will respond here. I can infer that Ponyboy thinks Derry, and here you might be writing about how Derry feels about Ponyboy. And again, on the 3rd passage, you will make an inference. I infer that Derry and Ponyboy, and you'll make some sort of inference about maybe their relationship or how they're connected. Once those 3 are done, then you draw your conclusion about the type of conflict. All right, let your teacher know if you have any questions.